Welcome everyone. Today we are going to talk about something that millions of people around the world want to achieve, speaking English fluently. Many people spend years studying English. They memorize grammar rules, learn long lists of vocabulary, and complete many exercises. Yet when the moment comes to actually speak, they feel nervous. The words do not come easily. Their mind becomes slow. They start worrying about making mistakes. Because of this, many learners begin to believe that speaking English fluently is extremely difficult. Some even feel that they are simply not good at languages. But the truth is very different. Speaking English fluently is not about having perfect grammar or knowing thousands of complicated words. Fluency is mainly about practice, confidence, and using the language regularly in real conversations. In the past, practicing spoken English was much harder. You needed a teacher, a language partner, or someone around you who could speak English. If you did not have that opportunity, improving your speaking skills became difficult. Many people had to wait for a class or a conversation partner to practice. But today, something amazing has changed. Technology has created new ways to practice English every day, even if you are completely alone. One of the most powerful tools you can use today is something many people already have access to: ChatGPT. When used correctly, ChatGPT can become your personal English practice partner. It can help you speak, think, and express yourself in English every day. Before we talk about how to use ChatGPT, it is important to understand the simple truth about language learning. Language is a skill, not just knowledge. You cannot learn to swim by reading about swimming. You cannot learn to play the piano by watching videos about music. In the same way, you cannot become fluent in English only by studying grammar rules or memorizing vocabulary lists. You become fluent by using the language regularly. You become fluent by speaking, thinking, and expressing ideas again and again. This is why daily practice is so powerful. Even a small amount of practice every day can slowly transform your confidence and ability. Many learners make a common mistake when practicing English. They wait for the perfect moment to start speaking. They tell themselves that they will start speaking when their grammar becomes better, when they know more vocabulary, or when they feel more confident. But confidence does not come before practice. Confidence comes from practice. The more you speak, the more natural the language becomes. The more mistakes you make, the more you learn. Over time, your mind becomes faster at forming sentences, and speaking begins to feel easier. This is exactly where ChatGPT can help you build a powerful daily practice routine. The first way ChatGPT can help you improve your fluency is by becoming your conversation partner. Many learners struggle because they do not have someone to speak English with. But with ChatGPT, you can practice conversations at any time of the day. You can ask ChatGPT to act like a friend, a teacher, a colleague, or even someone you just met. Then you can start a conversation on any topic. You might talk about your day, your hobbies, your goals, or your opinions about different subjects. The goal is not perfection. The goal is expression. The more you express your thoughts in English, the stronger your speaking ability becomes. Another powerful method is to practice thinking in English. Many learners first think in their native language and then translate their thoughts into English. This slows down the conversation and makes speaking feel difficult. A helpful way to change this habit is to use ChatGPT as a thinking partner. For example, you can write about your day in English and ask ChatGPT to continue the conversation with questions. When you answer those questions, your brain begins to think directly in English. Over time, this practice trains your mind to form ideas in English without needing translation. A very effective daily exercise is called the daily speaking reflection. At the end of your day, you can spend 10 minutes describing your day in English. You might talk about what you did in the morning, what challenges you faced, what you learned, or what made you happy. After writing or speaking your reflection, you can ask ChatGPT to correct your sentences and show you a more natural way to express the same ideas. This method is extremely powerful because it connects language learning with your real life. Instead of practicing random sentences, you are describing your own experiences. This makes the language more meaningful and easier to remember. Another important part of fluency is expanding your vocabulary naturally. Many learners try to memorize large vocabulary lists, but this approach can feel overwhelming. A better approach is to learn words through conversation and context. When you speak with ChatGPT about different topics, new words will naturally appear in the conversation. When you see a word you do not understand, you can ask ChatGPT to explain it, give examples, and show you how to use it in a sentence. This type of learning helps you remember vocabulary more easily because you see how the words are used in real communication. Pronunciation is another area where many learners feel uncertain. They may know the correct words but feel unsure about how to pronounce them. One helpful strategy is to combine ChatGPT with voice practice. You can read your sentences out loud while practicing with the conversation prompts ChatGPT gives you. Speaking out loud trains your mouth and your brain to coordinate better. Over time, your pronunciation becomes clearer and more natural. The key is not to rush. Speak slowly, clearly, and confidently. Fluency grows step by step. Another powerful daily practice method is role-playing conversations. ChatGPT can create realistic situations where you practice speaking English. For example, you might practice ordering food in a restaurant, introducing yourself in a job interview, asking for directions while traveling, or discussing ideas in a meeting. These simulated situations prepare your mind for real conversations in the future. When you eventually face these situations in real life, you will feel more comfortable because your brain has already practiced them before. It is also important to practice asking questions. Many English learners focus mainly on answering questions, but asking good questions is an important part of communication. With ChatGPT, you can practice creating questions about different topics. You might ask about culture, technology, books, movies, or travel. This exercise helps you learn how conversations flow naturally. Real conversations are not just about speaking, they are about curiosity, listening, and responding. Consistency is the most important factor in improving fluency. Many people study English intensely for a few days and then stop practicing for weeks. Language learning does not work well in this pattern. Your brain learns better through regular repetition. Even 15 minutes of daily conversation practice can create powerful improvement over time. When you use ChatGPT every day, your mind stays connected to the language. The more frequently you interact with English, the more familiar and comfortable it becomes. Another helpful habit is to challenge yourself with new topics. Many learners stay within a small range of familiar vocabulary. They talk about the same things repeatedly because it feels safe. But growth happens when you explore new subjects. You can ask ChatGPT to suggest interesting discussion topics. These topics might include personal development, science, culture, travel, psychology, or world events. When you discuss these ideas, you expand both your knowledge and your vocabulary. One of the biggest barriers to speaking English fluently is fear of making mistakes. Many learners worry that their sentences are not perfect or that others will judge them. But mistakes are a natural part of learning. Every fluent speaker once made many mistakes while learning the language. When you practice with ChatGPT, you are in a safe learning environment. You can experiment with sentences, test new vocabulary, and express ideas freely. Instead of feeling embarrassed about mistakes, you can see them as opportunities to improve. Another powerful advantage of practicing with ChatGPT is that it is always patient. You can ask questions as many times as you need. You can ask for explanations in different ways until you fully understand. This kind of patient learning environment helps build confidence. When you feel comfortable experimenting with the language, your fluency begins to grow naturally. It is also helpful to remember that fluency does not mean speaking perfectly all the time. Even native speakers pause, hesitate, and sometimes search for the right words. Fluency means being able to communicate your ideas clearly and naturally. It means your thoughts flow more smoothly when you speak. The goal is progress, not perfection. Each conversation you practice brings you one step closer to your goal. If you combine these daily practices, conversation, reflection, vocabulary learning, pronunciation practice, and role-playing, you create a powerful system for improvement. Over time, something amazing begins to happen. The sentences that once felt difficult begin to come naturally. The vocabulary you learn begins to appear automatically in your speech. Your confidence grows because you know you have been practicing consistently. Learning English is not a race. It is a journey of steady improvement. Every day you practice, your brain is building new connections. Every conversation strengthens your ability to express yourself. The progress may feel slow at first, but with patience and consistency, the results become clear. Your English fluency is not determined by talent. It is determined by practice, persistence, and the courage to keep speaking even when it feels uncomfortable. The tools available today make this journey easier than ever before. With the help of ChatGPT, you have the opportunity to practice English anytime, anywhere, and on any topic. So start today. Speak a little English. Ask a question. Share your thoughts. Describe your day. Practice one conversation. Then come back tomorrow and do it again. Small daily practice creates powerful long-term results. Over time, the language that once felt difficult will begin to feel natural. Your words will come faster. Your confidence will grow stronger. And one day, you will realize something wonderful. You are speaking English fluently, not because you waited for the perfect moment, but because you practiced a little every day. Another helpful habit is to use ChatGPT as a guide for improving your speaking structure. Sometimes learners know many English words but struggle to organize their thoughts clearly. Their sentences become confusing, or they pause too often while trying to find the right words. A simple way to improve this skill is by asking ChatGPT to give you short speaking prompts. For example, you can ask for a question like, "What are the benefits of learning a new language?" or "How does technology change our daily life?" Then take a moment to organize your thoughts and try to answer the question in English. After you respond, you can ask ChatGPT to show you a clearer or more natural version of your answer. By comparing your response with the improved version, you slowly learn how fluent speakers organize their ideas. Another powerful practice method is storytelling. Humans naturally remember stories much better than isolated sentences. You can ask ChatGPT to give you a simple story idea, and then try to tell that story in your own words. For example, you might describe a memorable experience from your childhood, a trip you enjoyed, or a challenge you overcame. When you tell stories in English, you train your brain to connect ideas, emotions, and vocabulary together. This helps your speech become more natural and expressive. As you continue practicing every day, you will begin to notice small but meaningful improvements. You will understand conversations more easily. Your sentences will become smoother. You will start expressing ideas without constantly translating in your mind. These small improvements slowly build strong confidence. And confidence is one of the most important parts of fluency. Remember, learning English is not about being perfect. It is about becoming comfortable with communication. Every sentence you speak is progress. Every conversation helps your brain grow stronger in the language. So keep practicing daily. Stay curious. Stay patient with yourself. And most importantly, keep speaking. Because fluency is not something that happens overnight. It is something you build step by step, conversation by conversation, day by day. If you enjoyed this story and want to improve your English and your life, make sure to subscribe to the channel and join this learning journey with us. And watch the next story on your screen to continue improving your English.